Hello again. Now this is a little project I've been working on, and it brings together a few bits and pieces that I've used in previous videos. So right there in the middle of the picture you can see the hand crank gramophone that I have shown a couple of times before, and down here I've got the little Arduino board with the 7-segment display, and up there I've got the AV meter which I've had connected to that board so that I can show an output on the AVO. Now what I've also added is this little center, and this has got tin foil and tape on to make 6 little mirrors that spin round as the record spins round. And also there on the end of that stick is a photodiode and an infrared LED and a transistor, and that actually is a motion detector, so it actually detects the little mirrors going around, and the Arduino is programmed to count them. So it works out the RPM and puts it on the display there, so it can cope with 00 to 99, which is fine, as the whole purpose of this setup is to provide a monitor so you can see if you're cranking at the right speed. It's the correct speed for this being 78 RPM. And also, as an extra indicator, when you're cranking at the right speed, the needle will be driven to the middle of the scale. So there's 2 ways of using this. One is to look at the little display down there, and the other is to actually watch the needle and try and keep the needle as stable in the middle of the display as possible. So I'm going to give it a quick go now just to show you how it works, and then we'll actually try playing a record with it. It's still quite difficult to actually get it to spin at the right speed, but at least now there is some decent indication about what is actually happening. The little LED down there is actually flashing every time one of the little mirrors goes around, so that is a test for the sensor. So if it's not flashing at all, then you know that the sensor is not mounted correctly. Whilst here, I've also changed the handle on this, so I've just got a nice bearing on there on a shaft, in fact an M5 bolt or machine screw, and that makes it a little bit easier. Okay, now to try it with a record. And there we go, and after a few seconds detecting no input, the Arduino will reset both the 7-segment display and also the AVO. So it's an improvement, I think, but that's certainly better than what I was able to achieve before. And in fact, you may wonder how I know whether my displays are actually accurate. Well, I tried the 7-segment display version of this using a normal record player, and it was coming out pretty much spot on. So it was registering 33, 45 and about 78. So I'm pretty sure that this is giving accurate results. I'll probably actually build this circuit into a handheld tester so I can easily test other record players in the house. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Mr. RG Stuff.